Want to clean up your ChatGPT conversations or remove your chat history for more privacy? Whether you're deleting a single conversation or clearing your entire chat history, ChatGPT makes the process simple. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to delete ChatGPT chat history step by step. Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT website or mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see your recent conversations listed in the sidebar. To remove just one conversation, find the chat you want to delete. Open its options menu, then choose the delete option and confirm your choice. The selected conversation will be permanently removed from your chat history. If you want to remove several conversations, repeat the same process for each chat you no longer need. Organizing your chat history regularly makes it easier to find important conversations later. If you'd rather remove all conversations at once, open your account settings and look for the data or history management options. Depending on your account, you'll find an option to clear your entire chat history. Carefully review the confirmation message before continuing. Once a conversation is deleted, it will no longer appear in your chat history. If you delete your entire history, those conversations will no longer be available in your account, so make sure you don't need anything important before confirming. While you're in settings, it's also a good idea to review your privacy and personalization options. Depending on your preferences, you may want to adjust features such as memory or other account settings to better match how you use ChatGPT. Regularly deleting conversations you no longer need can make your sidebar easier to manage and help you quickly find the chats that matter most. Consider reviewing your chat history from time to time to keep everything organized, and that's how to delete your ChatGPT chat history. Whether you're removing a single conversation or clearing your entire history, keeping your account organized is quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI guides, and thanks for watching.